Hi everybody, I just wanted to show you really quick the grocery store in North Carolina when there's a threat of blizzards. Okay, hold on. There's bananas. There's nothing left. It's so funny. Okay, and I'm totally not making fun of North Carolinians at all. I've been here for like almost 9 years. But it is kind of funny. Okay, let's go check out the bread. Okay, I haven't gone to the bread aisle yet, but we are in the canned section. Hold on a second. There's some empty shelves there. This is cracking me up, you guys. There's a pasta. Not much left. Guess people wanted their ground beef. And the chicken. Okay, so we are getting to the bread aisle. It doesn't look as bad as I thought it was going to. There's still bread. Not much, but there's still bread. Okay, so we have it. It wasn't too bad, right? Alright, you guys. Hope you got a good laugh out of this. Talk to you later. Bye.